Alright, here's a quick update on the step-by-step tutorial system. So welcome to Imagine. This is one of several tutorials, so I can drop down this list and look at the different options. This is telling me, hey, this is to get started. Here's my workspace. Here's where the current project name is. Here's the page explorer, where the top of this you can see is the current page name, then underneath it you find a list of all the components on the page. Here's my properties inspector. There's the properties, and you can see I'm actually touching the properties tab. And there's the actions. You can see it's actually changing properties to actions. If I go back a step to properties, go back to actions, so that little push just indicates, which is an option on a step basis when you're authoring these. Down here is my pages list. Here is my toolbar. Here is the save, and it kind of explains that save is automatic for most things, but you do need to press the save if you want to commit your resources like your images or your scripts. And then finally, here's the play button, which is our favorite button. I've got a whole bunch of test steps in there, so ignore the fact it says up to 30. So yeah, so that's the kind of the concept of the step-by-step tutorial. And I think particularly this new feature here, where you can see I can trigger buttons as part of the tutorial, and then if I click anywhere, it now blocks those clicks and just repeats the animation. So I can see I can't accidentally mess with the flow and kind of screw up the tutorial. The tutorial is locked into this until I close it, and then everything's back to normal, and I can select it all again, and it's all back under my control. But yeah, while it's in tutorial, it's locked into that flow. So hopefully that all makes sense. Cheers.